Hi, I'm Dr. John Chow at the first day of our pinhole surgical technique seminar, and we have our patient, Dr. Nguyen from Austin, Texas, who has taken the course himself, and he just had the surgery done, upper arch, in front of the class. So now Dr. Nguyen will look at his before and after.
Wow. And that went so quick. That was very quick.
Question and what you just went through. Please.
I'm Dr. Nguyen, and I have major recession due to heavy clenching, and I have cold sensitivity, moderate to severe cold sensitivity from the recession. And the pinhole technique is amazing because I didn't feel a thing. From the numbing process to the whole procedure, I didn't feel anything. And the results are amazing because you can see it immediately, and I'm so pleased and happy about it.
So when you first saw your before and after, what was going through your head?
I'm just happy that it's been done and the results are immediate. So very pleased with the results and the coverage of the roots. And
so now after having it done on yourself and then seeing it firsthand, how do you feel about going and integrating this into your own practice?
I have already done it. I've done it on 3 patients so far. So very happy, but Dr. Chow and the pinhole team is so fast.